Hello guys, DSM here. I just want to make another quick video about the trades we had today and probably a couple of trades from past few days. But this is the overall market, Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones 600 points down, 2.4% in one day, and it was around 12.10. 12 12:10. When I saw this after this bounce, I alerted in the chat room. This is DIA, October 24th. I alerted in the chat room. Dow was around 251 something. I said, guys, be ready for another dive. And that was the time Ed said he's watching this, and he said, here we go. So that was the time, 251. Yeah. They started to crash, and you see what happened. So we took advantage of this market, and we made a lot of money today by shorting PTI. That was one of my uh, plays today. We shorted at 7. I covered at 576. My main first price target was 650, but when I saw the market is going down, there was no rush. I just told people in the chat room I'm gonna sit on this position tight and just leave it there to uh, give me more profit. So that was one of our trades. In past few days, even this uh, uh, past few days, the market was still having problem, but one of our best trades was ESEA on Monday when I said ESEA is going down. Mm, it was around, uh, sorry, it was in the morning that, yes, it was before noon. I said, guys, this is a line, and we played it from 210. Uh, risk was it was 2.05, but that was a typo. Oh, I said that. Honestly, 2. Price target was 260. It went to 360, and then at 370 something, I said, guys, it's gonna crash. All the shippers are going. Oh, this is my tweet in Twitter, and if you go and check my tweets on October 22nd, you see this tweet at this moment, and that was one of our trades. So then we had TLRY. TLRY from 176 to 108. That was in October 5th when I asked people, I ran this poll and I asked people, do you think TLRY is going to 130, 150, and 200? And some people are very optimistic because they don't know anything about technical analysis. They don't know charts. Probably they just follow some of these pumpers, and I got a couple of notifications and tweets. In Twitter, I saw people are pumping TLRY, and they said, "Yeah, it's gonna go uh, here." They said it's gonna break out above 160 and has a chance to go to 200. That was a good joke. Anyway, we use these jokes, and um we basically take advantage of these stupid people, and we make money. So if you want to learn how to trade the stocks and make 1,000, 2,000, sometimes more than 10 grand in a day, so you can join us and you can be part of our chat room. We are not running this chat room to uh, pump any stocks. It's not our business, and even we don't have too many followers to. If we want to do that, it's not possible. So we are there in the chat room to just help each other, to give alerts and share trade ideas and learn from each other and take advantage of other people's and traders' experience to make money in a time that other people they cannot make money and they don't know what they have to do. So that was it for today. Um, I will post a video lesson every week for our members, and I explain for them, for example, why I went short on PTI, why I went long on ESEA, and all of these patterns and charts will be explained in details for our members. And if you really want to know how to trade stocks, go to dailystockmoney.com. We have the best offers we could give new traders. You can leave your first name and email address, and we will contact you and update you. So you can take advantage of this deal and join our chat room before we increase the price. And I promise you, very soon you will figure out you have to learn this stuff from somebody who knows and who did very comprehensive research on trading, not those young 20 years old scammers who is doing uh, paper trading and claiming that they know how to trade, and sometimes they forget when they share their screen they forget to change the paper trading stuff in their demo software or platform. Anyway, all of these things happening, and this is a great opportunity to make money if you know what the hell are you doing. So take advantage of this deal, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment below. Have a good night. See you everybody in the chat room tomorrow. Bye.